Every few days, I keep getting asked this question about whether I should be shooting in aperture priority mode or manual mode, and why people keep saying that I always use manual mode, and they've heard from somebody who uses manual mode and they think it is more pro than using aperture priority, which is probably called as a semi-auto mode. So here's the reason, guys. I'll tell you one of the most common use cases of when I meet people who are using manual mode and they feel a little uncomfortable using aperture priority. The reason is this. So let's take a typical example. Now let's say they have a lens which is f5.6 lens, and they have used an ISO of, let's say, 400 or 600. Now, when they are using aperture priority mode, AV is a Canon language, A is a Nikon and Sony language. So let's say they're using aperture priority mode. This is the aperture and this is the ISO they have kept, and the camera decided to keep a shutter speed of, let's say, 1/100th of a second, and they're in Kabini or in some jungle. It's low light, almost 6 o'clock in the evening. Now this is a shutter speed that is very slow for them, right? So they really feel they want to get a faster shutter speed. Now the problem is they know that by increasing the ISO from 400, 600 to 800 to 1000, the shutter speed will start going up. But they also know to an extent that increasing in ISO comes with noise. So they're not very happy to increase ISO because they really don't like noise in their images. So now what do? They simply shift to the manual mode, and in the manual mode they keep the same aperture. They keep an ISO of 640, let's say, because that's what they were comfortable with in the first place. And then instead of keeping 1/100th of a second shutter speed, which the camera was giving anyway, they go and keep a shutter speed of 1/320 or 1 by, let's say, 400 or 1/500, and they take a picture. Now the thing is, they realize that they cannot do this in aperture priority mode, because in aperture priority mode they are supposed to stick to the aperture that the camera decided. So which is one of the reasons why they in the first place want to get away from this shutter speed of 1/100th of a second, and that is why they are not happy to use aperture priority mode. And every time they hear me speak about the advantages of aperture priority mode, they come and tell me, but sir, don't you think this is the problem? Don't you think that is the problem? Well guys, if you're one of such photography enthusiast, you need to understand a couple of things. Number one, you need to understand what is exposure compensation, and number two, you need to understand what you just did here. Changing 1/100 to 1/320th, 400th or 500 is exactly what is called exposure compensation. Now the problem here is you guys do not know how to use the manual mode in the right sense. What happens is you sometimes will keep any shutter speed you want, but you're not looking at the meter reading, which is supposed to be at 0 for a correct exposure, and it's supposed to be going to minus when it is an underexposure, and it's going to be plus when it's an overexposure. So the thing is, if you are doing this in manual mode by bringing the scale to 0 and then exposing according to the camera's meter, that's really how you should use manual mode. Of course, when you're going away from 0, then it is what is called as exposure compensation. What does exposure compensation mean? Making sure you override the camera's decision by not being at 0, which it thought was the correct exposure, instead pushing it to shoot under exposure of, let's say, 1 stop. If you don't know what this word means, you need to probably spend some time learning about it. You're underexposing 1 stop, which means the shutter speed gets faster, and which is what you're actually achieving here. So if this is what you're happy to do, you don't need to go to manual mode to do that. You can stick to, what is the problem of going to manual mode to do that? You have to first keep these 3 settings. It will take a second or 2 or 3 or 5 to replicate these settings that you saw in aperture priority mode. Secondly, you have to change it to these. Instead of that, stick to aperture priority mode. You keep the same aperture, you keep the same ISO, 640 ISO, and let's say the camera said 1/100 was the shutter speed which was correct, in other words, which is what is 0, and now you said, hey camera, can you please shoot -1 stop, then the camera goes down to 1/200th of a second, which is what happened here when you did underexposure compensation. You're still not happy with 1/200, go ahead and say -2 stop. So then the camera will shoot 1/400th of a second, which is what you're actually getting somewhere here. So guys, honestly speaking, manual mode, aperture priority mode doesn't matter. If you want to do what we have discussed here, then you can stick to aperture priority mode, and please use exposure compensation if you do not want to use your increasing ISO method because you have a noise issue. This is more psychological than practical. Understandable, I don't want to debate that. If you are uncomfortable increasing the ISO of your entry-level camera, it's okay, but please don't go to manual mode just because you think you have the flexibility to keep whatever shutter speed you want. You still have the same flexibility in aperture priority mode as well. It is just that in manual mode you're keeping it like this, whereas you should keep an eye on the scale and see that when you went ahead and kept 1/400, when it was asking 1/100, 1/100 is 0, 1/200 is -1, 1/400 is -2. So if you don't understand, you are going to get an image which is darker, in other words underexposed by 2 steps. You would probably be able to do this in aperture priority mode itself. So just because you're in manual mode, it will not give you the same correct brightness or exposure by moving from 1/100 to 1/400, all else being the same. You have to understand that is a compromise you're doing to get a faster shutter speed by compromising for a darker photo. If this is what you're okay with, which is a great idea, then you don't need to simply go to manual mode. Please stick to aperture priority mode and do +- EV, in other words exposure compensation. I hope that helps. Have a good day.